Hello everyone, welcome to the Wonderland. It's time to explore the world with us within few minutes. A book is a medium for recording information in the form of writing or images, typically composed of many pages bound together and protected by a cover. Let's find some record-breaking facts about books. Do you know more books are published in China per year? Also, around 2.21 million books are published throughout the world each year. Two English authors, playwright William Shakespeare, 1564-1616, and crime writer Agatha Christie, 1890-1976, are both thought to have sold an estimated minimum of 2 billion books. They were both prolific writers. Shakespeare wrote 37 plays, while Christie penned 78. Best-selling series: the Harry Potter book series. J.K. Rowling's series of books about a young wizard has sold 510 million copies. Best-selling cookbook: Betty Crocker's Cookbook. First published in 1950, more than 75 million copies of this American cookbook have been sold. Best-selling nonfiction book: the Bible. Figures are impossible to verify, but it is thought that around 5 billion copies of the Bible have been sold. Most translated author: Agatha Christie. According to UNESCO, there have been an astonishing 7,236 translations of Agatha Christie's books, more than any author in history. Most expensive book ever sold: Book of Mormon. A Mormon church in the US bought the printer's manuscript of this book for $35 million, £25.3 million, in September 2017. Best-selling comics: Mickey Mouse, The Beano and Classics Illustrated. Each of these comics are thought to have sold 1 billion copies. Best-selling fiction book: Don Quixote. First published in 1605 in Spain, Miguel de Cervantes' story of the nobleman Don Quixote and his companion, Sancho Panza, has nonfiction book sold an estimated 500 million copies. Best-selling regularly updated book: Xinhua Dictionary. First published in 1957, this Chinese dictionary has sold around 400 million copies. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned with us for more and exciting facts in our universe. Like, share and subscribe.